Okay, guys, so in this quick example, we're going to learn how to solve two-step equations. The process I have is long and drawn out. There's 6 steps, but for two-step equations, we don't need them all. We're just going to focus on steps 4 through 6. So it's going to kind of be a little easier on our part, okay? So the way it works is I look at my equation, I find my variable, that's my letter. In this case, it's x. I'm going to box my variable, right? That's our first step. It's my favorite step because it's the easiest. We're done. Next, we're going to move on to the next step, which is to isolate the variable. So we want to get that 3x by itself. And the way we do that is by adding or subtracting constants on the equation side with the variables. So here we have two constants, 13 and 4, but we want to actually get rid of this 4 that's connected to the variable. So I'm going to subtract 4 because the opposite of addition is subtraction. So I'm going to subtract 4 from that side. And whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. 4 minus 4 is 0, so I can bring down my 3x. I now have 13 minus 4. So in my calculator, 13 subtract 4 gives me 9. And we're done. We've isolated our variable. He's isolated because he's by himself. Now, the last step is to divide by the number in front of the variable. So here I have a 3 in front of the x, so I'm going to divide by 3 on both sides. We can see that 3 divided by 3 is 1, so we're given 1x. And then 9 divided by 3 is 3. So our final solution is x is equal to